This is a plant. He makes his own energy. He takes in carbon dioxide, water, and makes sugar. He doesn't need to eat. This is a caterpillar. He can't make his own energy. What does he do? He needs to eat. The plant. This is a lizard. He can't make energy either. What does he do? He needs to eat. The caterpillar. This is a snake. I think you see the pattern. He needs to eat too. The lizard. This is a hawk. He needs to eat too. The snake. Nobody is big enough to eat the hawk. He lives until he's old and dies. But what happens next? We need decomposers, like mushrooms. What does he eat? The hawk, but only when he dies.
To keep this all straight, there's a special diagram, a food web made of many little food chains. You see, animals need lots of energy to live and grow, so the carnivores don't get a lot to use on their own. So most animals aren't picky, and they'll feed on anything they can eat. But if a food web goes on for too long, the animals at the top don't get any energy. Let's take a special look at a couple of different relationships on the diagram. The first is between the hawk and the snake. The hawk eats the snake. This means that the hawk is a predator and the snake is its prey. The tree at the very bottom is a producer. It creates energy from the sun. The grasshopper does not create its own energy and has to eat the tree. It is thus a consumer. The caterpillar can eat only the tree. It is a herbivore. The mouse can eat only the grasshopper. It can only eat meat. It is a carnivore. And the lizard can eat both plant, the tree, and meat, the grasshopper. It is thus an omnivore.
But wait, what about animals that don't eat? Ticks and flies, and things that come in the heat. They're called parasites. And their energy source? They're called hosts. There are many different types of animals, and not all of them eat the same thing. But we've gone through most of them, and you should be able to look outside and say, with confidence, I know what he eats.